Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we have a Peruvian octopus ceviche. All ingredients below in my info box. We are gonna need a cooked octopus, lemon juice, any chili that you want. I'm using a Peruvian aji limo, garlic, celery, ginger, coriander leaves, purple onion, salt, fresh black pepper, and for the garnishes, lettuce, Peruvian corn, and sweet potato. But you can use other ingredients for the garnishes, okay? So yep, let's get started with this ceviche. In this container we have the cooked octopus, and we are gonna be adding salt to taste and fresh black pepper. And then chili, garlic, celery, and ginger. And then mix everything. Then I'm gonna be adding the lemon juice, then onion, and now I'm going to cut the coriander leaves to add to the ceviche. If you don't like octopus, don't worry, because you can replace the octopus with obviously raw fish and also cooked shrimps or seafood, okay? And then mix everything. Time to serve and eat. In this plate I put the fresh lettuce, and I'm going to serve the octopus ceviche with enough juice to taste. We place the sweet potato and the Peruvian corn next to the ceviche in the same plate. And here I have seaweeds, which are washed, and now I will add boiling water, and as you notice they will change color quickly. We mix them a little bit, and then you have to rinse them with cold water, and the seaweeds are ready to be placed on top of the ceviche. Guys, I hope you like this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new, thumbs up, and follow me on my social media. And here I have a piece of sweet potato for my dog as a snack. Her name is Candy. She's my Coto de Tuliar. She's with me every Wednesdays with my recipes, but she has own videos every Saturday. Stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.